Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I cook my vegetarian pea soup. And guess what? I have a special guest with me here today.
My name is Karen. I'm her first daughter. I'm the one that let her know that she could be a mother.
Really?
And I'm so glad I'm here today because mother is cooking my favorite meal, soup.
Yes, this soup, she loves soup. No matter what kind of soup, she loves soup. Just call it soup and make it. Today I'm cooking my my split pea soup with my barley. And I know that people say, oh, split pea soup, barley, that's not good. But man, you need to taste this soup. Once you taste the soup, you will never, no meat.
And I can tell you, I don't like vegetable stuff, but when mother cooks vegetable, it seems like meat is all up in it. So I can, trust me.
Yes, because you have to have a lot of flavor. You have to add the seasoning and thing and make it well flavored.
When you drink this today, you're not going to miss meat. Trust me on that.
No, people think when you you make soup, you must have meat in it. You must have fish. No, you don't. You need to just make your soup and just make it just have enough flavor. My father was a vegetarian and never have meat in it, and we have the best soup. So that's how I get to know how to cook vegetable soup.
And trust me, anybody out there that decide they want to change their diet for this time and they don't want to eat meat, go to mother's recipe. When I tell you that it tastes like meat is all up in it, believe me when I tell you
just
that.
check out my recipe, my chickpeas and everything. Just check how I cook my soup. You're gonna love it. All my vegetarian dishes are good.
I can testify for that because my brother don't like to eat no vegetable. He considered eating vegetable like eating the grass. But when mother cook, he said, mother didn't give me no meat. But it tastes like meat is in it.
You really don't need the meat. You really don't need meat in your food to eat right. Just flavor up your food. Put the good thyme, scallion, garlic and all them things there. You don't need meat, you know?
I'm so glad I'm here today because I can't wait to start eating.
Because you're greedy, you just want to drink my soup.
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah, I drink soup all the time. No matter if it's the type of weather, if it's hot, if it's cold, just give me soup.
You love soup from your little child. You love soup until this day.
But mother, where's the dumpling?
Well, you see, I never want any dumpling in it, but because everybody begging me for dumpling, so I'm making few little spinners and drop it in it. So the soup is going to be even better. In Jamaica, when we say better, it means the soup is going to be so good.
Yes, and you know what? I'm glad you put the dumpling in it since I'm here because soup without dumpling to me is like broth. So dumpling, I can't wait.
Wow. Look on the soup. Oh, the soup look good. The soup looks so good. I can't even wait to drink mine.
You can't wait, mother? Mother, I can't wait. I'm come the right time. Mother, share out some for me. You have any Tupperware? I have to carry some on.
No, you know what? You dish out your own soup and take what you want to take home. And take some for your husband too.
All right. Remind me of Saturday in Jamaica. Soup time.
Every Saturday we must drink soup in Jamaica. That is the thing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. One love.